side. Okay, we're trying to think of a non-sus name for the beat-a-thon. We are gonna go get a hub puller to remove that because we want to remove the hub, and then you can see right there we got our bad boys, our piston rings, and a bunch of other stuff, and then stuff everywhere. And so we're hoping to get mad progress. Okay, so we got the hub puller deal as well as a feeler gauge for the piston rings. Those probably won't go on today though. So we are gonna use the hub puller. Sit there. And then also the local AutoZone actually had a Beat oil filter. And yeah, and I also got the piston ring expander ordered. It wasn't at our local store, even though it said, but it's actually at one that's like 30 minutes away, and we don't feel like going there. So we're gonna pull this hub. So we got the timing belt all lined up to where we want it. So it should be ready to come off because the E07A is an interference engine. So if we mess this up and we put it back together, we're just gonna blow the whole car up. So we don't want to do that, of course. Timing's important.
Yeah.
And so yeah, we're about to take timing belt off. Yay. And where's our? This guy's kind of a hunk of junk. That's not really kind of a, what do you call that?
Piece of dookie.
Piece of dookie. It says it's like for wheels and tires, but it
is. Do not like it. I don't like it at all.
Yeah, this? Yeah. We're like, es no bueno. We're like bolt type liar set. We get to feel how the timing belt feels, and then we just gotta loosen the tensioners and then remove them.
Yeah.
Okay, big progress. So we just removed all the head bolts from cylinder chain, valve chain, and so you can see starting to come loose, maybe a little too loose. So we're about to get
off right now.
We're about to get our look at the first look at the pistons.
Yeah, let's see if that distributor is gonna be a problem. I'm not sure. We'll see.
What was that?
I was gonna say if you
You guys may do the honors.
I got.
Ready? You got that side?
You don't think the distributor's in the way?
Oh, looks like it's all right. It should be connected. Let's see. I got a snag on this side.
Do you want to pull it back on?
What is snag?
So this is our cute little apparatus to remember all the bolts, all the head bolts. And then here's parts table, the speaker, snagging, and there's some stuff.
Are you sure?
Here. Oh, it looks like it's kind of.
Oh, it's that plastic cover.
Yeah, I see it. Do you want me to? So we had a couple more steps so we could actually get the valve train out. It's over here now. Because there was some weird like grounds and stuff. I don't know, man. But the valve train's there. We got it. Damn. We got it like perfect at top center. And yeah, no, it was crazy. We got coolant everywhere. There was coolant all throughout like the trunk and stuff. We were pulling it out. So we had to come and wipe it up.
I'm just messing up your whole clip.
Yeah, well no, it's already gonna be noisy from the back.
I don't want to read it.
No, that's okay. But yeah, there's the block, and we got valve train over here just chilling. I guess I'm gonna have to figure out how to do the valve seals. We got this guy to label all the head bolts.
Juicing on your notebook.
Oh no. Yeah, that's crazy. In our ever-growing parts table.
Nowhere.
Oh, I know. Okay, we got our American Goy Slop food. Rebuild's still going. These guys both end up being dead, so they're making a slide hammer to get off the wheel hub. All that stuff. I don't really know what a slide hammer is or what they're doing, but they seem to know. And so yeah, we're doing good. We just have to get that up so we can access the crank and detach the pistons before cleaning them and putting it back together, I guess. Nader was a total G and just replaced the water pump, which low-key was a good move because the old water pump was kind of gross. We think it might be the factory one.
It definitely was.
Definitely was?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, no, it didn't feel good. We were spinning them both, and so that was a good thing to get.
Yeah,
we have whole new
like
timing set.
my broken wheel bearing. I changed the wheel bearing and it felt like it.
Oh yeah. I don't know, the bearing, the whole thing would vibrate when you twisted it. Didn't feel good.
Not good at all.
So that's good to know. And so yeah, we're just trying to get this hub off so we can move the axle. Cause we gotta get in there to disconnect the upper part of the oil pan to get to the crankcase.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Such a weird engine. Nate was saying if this thing wasn't at like a 60-degree angle like it is, this would be so much easier.
Yeah, if it's straight up and down, everything would be so easy.
It would have been done a month ago. But here we are. Craig's hard at work. I'm so lucky my friends are this savvy with tools and cars and stuff because I'd be so screwed. And to top it all off, I just saw somebody post on Facebook that they had driven theirs 5,000 kilometers and they hadn't burnt any oil. It was like still full capacity. And they're like, the engine must be in really good shape. And I literally wanted to reply with a photo of this, like, yeah, it must be nice to have an engine in great shape. But, yeah. So we just gotta get the piston rings in. I got all my fun little OEM Honda stuff right there. Sponge because we're gonna clean out the cylinders and the pistons. But yeah, parts table is bigger than ever. And we've just been getting food that literally like glows. This is what it's like to live in America. So cool.
Yeah.
Are you about to go?
Yeah.
We are professionals. Mercy! So we did some yard work and a glove tan line started to form. I don't know how good it shows up on camera, but my watch tan line's still insane. I don't even wear the watch for its function anymore. I literally just wear it because I want the tan line to get worse. There were some guys selling some 14-inch Civic wheels on Facebook for like 500. They'd just been powder coated white, which is what I want to do. But they're like the 8-spoke, so my friend sent me a listing. And the dude was selling them for 500 for the whole set, and I lowballed him like 250. He said no. So I'm still gonna go through with the wheels that I want. Subscribers on Instagram know which ones that they are because I want to complete my image. Plus, I don't really like the tons of spokes. Not on the Beat at least, but some other cars can pull it off better. With the Beat, I have a very fun wheel in mind for it. I gotta get this guy back on the ground so I can sell my other car so I can get the money for it. But first thing we're gonna do is suspension. We're gonna get them low first, and then we'll do the wheels and I want to do new intake and new exhaust. Both the HKS, so the HKS like little mushroom guy, and then the HKS exhaust, blah blah blah. But yeah, Beat's just dirty. I can't wait to get it back up so I can wash it. utmtrec, yeah, it's like the name of the channel. Wild, ooh, thumbnail right there. And I have a fun feature that's actually we did with the dome light underneath. And I can't wait to show that off once the car's back up and connected and running again. I'll probably post it on the subscriber story early because I want to show it off. But it's pretty cool. Now we're using a welder to make a slide hammer.
So we can hammer off our stupid axle that nobody makes it.
So we can remove the hub. Because yeah, over there, the dirt bike, there's the two things we have to return that didn't work at removing the hub. Yeah, we're just keeping commentary while Craig welds, because he has like a literal degree in welding. But he's using a stick welder, which he does not like. It's spray painted.
It looks the
green.
best on SN95, so I can't wait to buy one of that.
We're talking about how everybody with the SN95
Neon
Mustang
yellow.
should buy one and wrap it, or not even wrap it, but spray paint it neon yellow.
I can't wait to do that.
I can't wait to do that. Yeah, make us rich and famous so we can spray paint SN95 neon yellow.
Or Crown Vic.
Or a Crown Vic.
Crown Vic.
Pontiac Grand Prix. So many good cars.
Yeah, Pontiac Bonneville.
Yeah, dude. You see it. That's pretty good. There, my turn.
Oh, okay. You go freaking circus.
Circus clown. It is so bad. Hold on. I don't have a third thing though.
Can you do it with 3?
Oh yeah. Dude, I could juggle 4. It's bright. This is my Craig single-handedly built that slide hammer, but now we're losing our minds because there's this caterpillar just going
I've never
crazy.
seen a caterpillar in person.
Seriously?
Like, actually.
You've never seen a caterpillar?
Welcome to Utah, bro.
You got some mad caterpillar action going on here. Come on, bud. Nope. Okay, she's gonna squeeze right under the wrench. Boys doing what they're best at. We'll be selling this tool for $70 if anybody is interested.
Yeah, we'll sell it on eBay.
If you pay us $70, you can have it.
Literally.
So yeah, engine's all opened up, which is crazy. It's got some stuff sitting around. And we got all of our little OEM guys over there and all the extra guys over here. Get the valve seals. My personal job for tomorrow is to find a shop in town that will do this. If I give them these and the valve train and swap them all out, that would be a lifesaver because we don't really want to take apart the valve train. We're not, I mean, we kind of understand cars, but not that well. Don't mess it up. Also, all the background audio, and this is probably just bam, bam, bam. That's okay though. Good work. Reminds me of when I went to switch the OEM wheel back on, I took the quick release off. I needed to, I had to put the steering wheel on, or put the hub on, but release the steering nut, like the nut that comes like out from the steering column, and then put the wheel on, mount it all, and like kind of shake it back and forth until it came off. So yeah, you kind of need some wobble in there, and then this is kind of cool. We need to tighten the lugs a little more.
Good.
Just because it looks like the tool's got a little bit of.
It's not to be completely straight flat against it, because there's no, you know.
There's no buffer, no washer, or nothing. But yeah, that's kind of just how I'm relating this in my mind.
You're getting some movement.
Yeah, no, there's definitely some play in it. Crazy how much progress. Yeah, and this thing is being impossible to remove, so we think we're just gonna have to destroy my alignment and just take all the control arms and stuff out. What do you gotta do?
Where's the big wrench?
We got the next, kind of like the last huge removal step done,
Well, besides the piston.
besides the actual pistons, and that is the axle.
Finally.
This thing was a pain in the butt to take
God.
out. Just working, and the good thing is we didn't mess up the alignment, right?
No,
It's
technically.
going to be a nightmare to put back together, but whatever.
But yeah, technically we're good.
Axle's out, so now we've cleared up this space to remove the crankcase, and the chocolates are melted. But whatever. That was such a pain, and I cannot believe we got that. And we got to text Nate because he had to go home, or he didn't have to go home. He just wanted to go home because Nate has principles, unlike us.
Yeah, we don't have principles.
We don't have
We
principles.
just make ourselves we just hate ourselves.
We just hate ourselves and everything that we do. But the good thing is, that was the final removal thing that wasn't the pistons,
Yeah.
which is crazy.
Pretty huge.
So we're gonna clean up now because we made a mess, and then yeah, Beatmageddon was a success.
Yeah, pretty good.
We got some insane progress. We got all those stupid hub puller tools and never even got the hub off. So we're just like, screw it, forget it. We have the cool slide hammer now, but where are they? Right here. We're gonna go return those. But AutoZone and Harbor Freight, if you see this video, we didn't use them. I promise, like, fingers crossed. So, yep, clean up time. Yay!